Hello dear students, in this video we are going to learn how to write notice. Do you know what is notice? So notice is a written or printed announcement. It is written to give information to a large number of people about something that has happened or about to happen. So children, uh, do you know why we are writing notice? Suppose you think that you have to give some information to the students in your school, and it would be a very tedious or time consuming task for you to go to each and every class and give the information. So, what you will do? You will just draft a notice and put it on the school notice board. In this way, that information can be given to the students. So children, notices can be written on any upcoming events or competitions, or they can be giving information about meeting, or about lost and found items, or it can give information about any warning or appeal or about any seminars. So let us see how we will write notice. Some points are there which you have to remember while writing notice. That is, notice must be written correctly using a fixed format. There is a fixed format about how to write notice, and you should write notice in that format. You must use formal language while writing notice, and it must be written in present tense or future tense. Notice must be written in third person, and it must have proper heading. Then date of issue must be mentioned there, and name and designation of the issuing authority also should be given. So this is a format of how to write a notice. First of all, you should write in the middle name of institution. Then notice should be written. Okay, name of institution should be there in capital letters. Then this notice should also be written in capital letter. Then date should be written in left hand side, and then heading should be there in the center. After that, body should be there, and in body you should mention what is the event, where is it taking place, when it is taking place, who is organizing it, and why is it being organized. This last point is optional. You can mention or you cannot mention. It is not necessary to mention this point in body of notice. And then at last, name of the person who is issuing the notice and his or her designation. Now let's see one example. And one thing, remember that notice should be written in a box. So let's see example of a notice. Like here I have written one notice. This is example of notice, and you should write notice inside a box. Okay, first of all you have to write name of institution in capital letter. I have written name of one institution, DLF School Patna. Then you have to write notice, that too in capital letter. Then in the left hand side, you have to write date. I have written here date as 1st July 2020. Then heading of notice. Okay, here I have given one heading, that is essay writing competition. And then you have to start the notice, like an essay writing competition is being organized by Rotary Club on 30th July 2020 in the school auditorium. Interested student should submit their names to the undersigned before 20th July 2020. So here, what is the event? That is, event is essay writing competition. Then when it is taking place, that is 30th July. That's why I have highlighted these words. Then where it is taking place, where it is organized, that is school auditorium. And at last you have to write the name of issuing authority in the left hand side. Here I have written Rohit Sharma, and designation, that is Rohit Sharma is a head boy. So in this way you can write notice easily. I hope you have understood how to write notice. Thank you.